I'm Umesh Ruddar from Kalpitiya. I'm the manager of Hiru Resort and Kite Surfing Resort. Hiru Resort and Kite Surfing is a luxury boutique resort. We have 2 family villas and 8 standard villas, all with private gardens. For last 10 years, Kalpitiya has become a famous destination for kite surfing, also for dolphin and whales watching. We work with village tour guides to offer you lagoon tours, dolphin and whale watching tours, also snorkeling and scuba diving tours. Also we can visit a fishing village. It's a very nice experience for you to see how fishermen live in these small islands. Hiru Resort and Kite Surfing has been designed to make you feel relaxed, and I welcome you to escape from your busy life and enjoy the beach life in Kalpitiya.